Tired of paying graphic designers huge fees just to get a simple birthday flyer done? What if I told you that you don't have to waste money or wait days for someone else to create one? Here are some samples of beautiful birthday flyers I created with AI for free. Now, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Nano Banana AI to design stunning birthday flyers for free, either with your phone or your computer. Not only will you learn how to make professional flyers for your own celebrations, but you will also be able to charge friends and family to create theirs too, turning this skill into a side hustle. Stick around till the end and I'll walk you step by step, so by the time you finish watching, you'll never have to depend on anyone else for flyers again. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more free AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The very first step to accessing Nano Banana is through Google Gemini. Now, if you're watching this on your phone, your path is quite simple. All you need to do is head over to the Play Store and download the Gemini app. That app will give you direct access to everything we need. But since I'm on a PC, my process will look a little different. Instead of downloading an app, I will simply open up my browser and go straight to the official Google Gemini website. As you can see on my screen right now, this gives me instant access to the platform without any extra steps. So whether you're on mobile or on a computer, Google Gemini is the gateway that will lead us into Nano Banana. After installing the Gemini AI, the very first thing you need to do is locate Nano Banana inside the interface. If you look closely, you will notice an icon that shows the word image with a banana symbol in front of it. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, up at the top, you might also see a setting labeled 2.5 Flash. Make sure that option is selected, because 2.5 Flash is the Nano Banana version we need for this workflow. Once everything is set, the next step is to paste in your prompt. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming right now. I'll guide you through how to write structured prompts later on, but for now, let's just focus on generating our first design. I'll go ahead and paste one of my favorite prompts here, then hit OK. And now we wait for Nano Banana to work its magic.
Take a look at this. Our very first birthday flyer design has been generated. Isn't that amazing? The layout, the style, the colors, it looks like something that could easily pass for a professional design. Now, notice the image in the center. That face is not anyone you know. It's just an AI-generated character. And here's the problem. What if you want to replace that face with your own, or with a client's photo? After all, if you're making a birthday flyer, you'll almost always want to personalize it. So how do we do that? Don't panic, we're getting there. But before that, let's run two more examples so you can see how consistent the results can be. I'll paste in another prompt, hit submit, and once again, Nano Banana delivers a beautiful design. The flyer looks clean and vibrant, but the same issue remains. The image is imaginary. To create a flyer that truly belongs to you or your client, we need to replace that placeholder face with a real photo. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, make sure Nano Banana is selected, then upload two images, the flyer you just created and the personal photo you want to use. For demonstration, I'll upload my flyer and pair it with this random photo of a girl. Once both are uploaded, I'll give Nano Banana a clear instruction. Use the woman from image 2 on image 1's birthday flyer. And just like that, the AI swaps the imaginary face with the real one. Look at the result. The flyer now features the girl from the second photo. And one thing I love about Nano Banana is that the face remains intact. The AI doesn't distort the identity. It keeps the photo natural and clean while fitting it seamlessly into the design. That's incredibly powerful because it means you can take any flyer template and instantly personalize it. At this point, some of you may be wondering how I managed to get the exact prompt I used to generate this flyer in the first place. That's a great question, and the answer is simpler than you think. There are several ways to find or generate prompts. Most often, the inspiration for a flyer design comes from something you've seen elsewhere. Maybe a template on the internet, a design from another creator, or even a random flyer that caught your attention. If I see a design I like, I can simply upload it into Nano Banana and tell it to give me a prompt to generate this type of flyer with any image generator. With a single click, Nano Banana breaks down the design and gives me the exact prompt that was used to create it. Once I have that prompt, I can copy it into any AI image generator and recreate the same flyer style. This means you're never stuck guessing how a design was made. You can always reverse engineer it and make it your own. And when you combine this with your own creativity, you can produce truly unique results. For inspiration, one of my favorite places to look is Pinterest. Simply type in birthday flyer on Pinterest and you'll find thousands of high-quality designs ready to spark ideas. Canva has a wide collection of templates you can study and draw inspiration from. Google Images is another option you should look for inspiration. Whenever you find a design that resonates with you, save it, upload it into Nano Banana, extract the prompt, and use that as your starting point. Now, before we wrap up, let me share something important. If you're serious about mastering AI design, creating stunning flyers, generating realistic AI videos, or you want the prompts I used for these flyers, I invite you to drop a comment and follow my WhatsApp channel, where I share tips and tricks and my mentorship program. The link to my WhatsApp channel is in the description of this video. Join me, and we'll guide you step by step to take your skills to a professional level. So, that's how you create, refine, and customize stunning designs using Nano Banana. I truly hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you're catching this on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, make sure to follow so you never miss future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.